Zoho Forms tutorial, how to use Zoho Forms for beginners. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to talk about a software which is Zoho Forms, which helps you to build your form. Like, you can create free online forms. So this is the site, you just have to visit it. Also, you can just search for zoho.com/form/ and then search it up and you'll see this interface right here. So after coming up to this site, you have to enter your company name, your email address, your password, your phone number. By the way, this one is optional. Then you have to tap on I agree to the terms, and that's it. Now you have to tap on to sign up for free. Also, you can use these things to log in, like these methods: your Gmail address, your Facebook account, your LinkedIn account, your Twitter, your Microsoft account. To make this video shorter, for now I'm going to tap onto this one, like go with the Google account. Also, I'm going to talk about the pricings later on this video, so stay connected. So there we go. Now you have to enter your first name, your last name, tap onto this one, then tap create account. Now you have to enter captcha, so let's complete this captcha. Then you have to tap create account. Now you have to enter the OTP that was sent to your Gmail account. So let's go to Gmail, copy the OTP and paste it over Zoho accounts. So let me copy it. Let's copy it up, paste it over here. Now tap on to verify. And after clicking on to verify, you will be redirected to Zoho Forms dashboard. So this is the Zoho Forms dashboard. At the left corner here, we can see the forms option, reports option, tasks option, users option, approvals. So you can go to reports. There will be all of your reports from here, as I have not created any forms. So right now there are no reports, but when you create one, there will be report and task. There will be details of it. This is your user details. Like, there's only one email address are active, there are approvals, like you have to assign as an approver if you have and want to add your team member. So let's go to forms and let's tap onto let's get started. So after tapping onto let's get started, you have to choose your form type, whether you want a standard form type or card form type. For this video I'm going to choose standard one, as this is the best one, like the most popular one. Now you have to enter your form title. So I'm gonna enter a form title from here, and after entering your YTT like a form title, then you have to tap create. So after tapping on to create, there we go. Now you have to enter your basic information: your name, your address, your phone, your email, your website, your text box, your single line, multi-line, etc., your number. So let's enter a name first. So there is the field of my name. Now you can edit this according to your need. For example, I'm gonna enter my name as Jackie. Then I'm gonna hide field label. Then here you can add a description or instructions. You can choose your field size, whether you want it small, medium, or large. For me, I would like to add a large one. Now here you can add a hover text. For example, um like this video. Okay, now we're gonna go with the name elements. Here you can choose the elements like title, but we don't want to add them, so we're gonna just click onto this one, first name. um then if you want, you can add last name if you want to, and also your middle name, but for now I would like to keep it hidden. I would like to keep them, both of them, hidden. That's it. Now you can just save it up. So this is what it looks like. So also let me add a last name to it. So that's it. So this is what it looks like. Now we can add every single basic info, your text box. If you want text box, you can add one right here. Now you can customize it. You can add text right here. You can name the field label. You can add hover text. You can also choose all these things, just play around them, and you can just choose them. You can enter QR code if you wish to, also barcode if you want, then you have to save it up. And from here you can see this duplicate option. You can duplicate it, and by tapping onto settings, your this site will be created, will be open like your property site. And let's say you want to delete it, then here you can see this delete option. Just simply tap onto delete and it will be deleted. Let me show you how you can do it. So yes, delete, and that's it. Now from here you can enter numbers and many more things. You can just check them out and you can edit them. Now from here you can check out the rules sections of Zoho Forms from here. Okay, you can upgrade also from here. You can choose out these themes from here. This is the themes section. You can choose your themes right from here. Also you can just key it from scratch if you wish to, but there are many more available from like many available already here. So this is all are the basic things. You can just check it out yourselves, and here you can see the integrations options. You can just tap onto it and you can go with it. So that was pretty much it about it. You can check out themes, approvals, integrations, etc, etc. You can also check out the pricings of it from here. So let's see the pricings, and let me explain that which one would be better for you. So these are the basic, standard, professional and premium options like packages available. This is the yearly package. That means you have to pay in advance for the whole year, but there's another one which is monthly one. You have to pay them per month, but these ones will cost you a little more if you think like the whole year. So like 12 into 12 is like 24 $240, and on the yearly option this is $120. Okay, so I hope you understand it. Like you can get a 20% discount on yearly subscription. So which one is better for you? If you want to use Zoho Forms for long run, then you can go with the yearly one. Like if you are a form developer or your job is like something like that, then you can go to the yearly go for the yearly one, and if you just want to check it out, then just go for the monthly options. So that was pretty much it about Zoho Forms. You can, if you have any problems, you can talk to their sales also. So that is pretty much it, and if this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, toggle the bell icon on, and comment down below that what type of videos you want to see. So that is pretty much it. Now you can also get access from it. So that's it. Goodbye. See you on to another video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. And as always, happy exploring. Keep watching our videos.